Right now, you are probably paying for a bunch of AI tools, and this is not cheap. Most people spend $200 to $300 a month on it, and that is nothing. I use AI for everything, so I spend way more. Me alone, it is around $1,000 to $2,000 a month. That is over ₹1,00,000. My company spends close to $50,000 a month. That is more than ₹40 lakh. So I have used almost every paid tool out there, and I know exactly what you are paying for. Now, I am not going to pretend I cancelled all of it, but a big chunk of what I paid for, images, voice, video, coding, even automation agents, I just cancelled. Because every one of those now has a free open source version that does the same job and runs on your own computer. So these are the 10 free AI tools you actually need to know, and you do not need to know any code to use them. If you can copy and paste, you are set. Let me show you the first one. So the very first tool is called OpenMontage, and this is the one that really got me. Just watch this. This is a full cinematic video about a lightning storm over the ocean. It is using real footage, and it has got a voiceover on it explaining the real science behind thunderstorms. And I made this whole thing by typing one single sentence. It did literally everything else. So OpenMontage calls itself the first open source agentic video production tool. And that word production is really the whole point here, because this thing handles the entire video from start to finish. It does the research for you, and it goes and finds the real footage, and it edits everything together, and it even adds the music, like the whole thing end to end. And it has over 35,000 stars on GitHub, which tells you just how many people are paying attention to this one. So just like I said, at the start, you tell Codex to go download the repo. And then I gave it one line. I said, make me a 40-second cinematic video about a lightning storm over the ocean at night and use real footage only. And it went off and searched the internet for real storm clips. It downloaded a whole bunch of them. It picked out the best ones. It cut them together with these soft crossfades. It graded the color to make the whole thing feel dark and moody. And it added storm sound design underneath. And it took a few minutes doing its thing, but when it was done, we had a finished 40-second video ready to play. Then I pushed it a bit further. I told it to add a voiceover on top explaining why thunderstorms happen. And here is the wild part. It wrote the whole script itself. It picked a calm documentary style voice. It generated the narration, and then it mixed it over the video with the storm sounds turned down softly underneath it. I did not write one word of that script. Just listen to this.
Thunderstorms begin when warm, humid air near the surface rises quickly into colder air above.
So, that right there is a complete explainer video with real footage and a real voiceover, all coming from one single sentence. Now, real quick, before we go any further, I have put every one of these 10 tools with the GitHub links and the exact prompts I used inside our free community. The link for that is down in the description. So go grab it, and you can just follow along with me and try each one for yourself. Okay, so that was a whole video from one line. Now let me bring it right down to something simpler but really cool. What if you just want to make a single image and get the text on it perfect? Because most AI tools are honestly terrible at text. So number 2 is a tool called Ideogram. And again, just look at this first. This is a giant cosmic turtle, and it is carrying this whole little fantasy kingdom on its shell. And down at the bottom, you can see the words "Explore the Unknown" written out perfectly in gold. Now normally AI image tools completely mess up text, right? You ask for a word and you get back some alien looking gibberish. This one got every single letter right. So Ideogram just launched their new 4.0 model. And it is basically going up against the big paid ones like GPT Image 2 and Google's Nano Banana. But the difference here is that Ideogram is open source, which means the generations are free. And the thing it is really known for is that text. So let us give it another prompt to properly test it. A moody cinematic shot of an old vintage typewriter with the words Chapter 1 typed on the paper. And it goes off and it comes back with 4 images in about 10 seconds. So it is quite fast. And when you look at them, the text is spot on and the photos look really nice. It even has an API dashboard in there if you ever want to connect it to your own apps. But for most of us, just generating images for free is the whole point. So that is images with perfect text. Now let me show you something a little different. What if you could take your own voice and clone it for free? Okay, so number 3 is a tool called Voicebox. And I want you to listen to something first. Hi, I'm Vaibhav Sisinty, and I created this voice using Voicebox for free. This voice you are hearing right now, it is not me. This is an AI clone of my voice that I built for free using this tool. And it is pretty close to how I really sound, right? So let me explain what this even is. Voice cloning is where you give an AI a small sample of someone's voice and it learns to speak in that exact voice. So then you can type out any sentence you want and it will say it back to you in that voice. Now normally this is a paid thing. Tools like ElevenLabs charge you real money for it. Voicebox does the same job, but it is free and open source and it runs on your own machine. And this is a perfect example of that codex trick because I did not install anything by hand. Now I know when you look at the install screen with all that text moving, it looks a little scary. But do not worry about any of it, okay? All you do is copy the GitHub link and tell Codex install this for me. And it handles the whole thing. It picks the folder for you, it checks if you have enough storage, it downloads the app, which was around 500 megabytes, and it opens it up. Then inside the app, it is really simple. You click import voice. You upload a short clip of your own voice. You paste in the text of what is being said in that clip so it knows the words. You give it a name and you hit create profile. And in about a minute, your voice is ready to use. After that, you just type whatever you want and it speaks it back to you in your own voice. It runs on a model called Qwen 3 TTS. And for a free tool, the quality is genuinely good. Hi, I'm Vaibhav Sisinty and I created this voice using Voicebox for free. So just think about it. Voiceovers for your videos, narration for anything, all in your own voice and you are not paying a rupee every month for it. Now that is video and images and voice all covered. This next one is a proper brain from NVIDIA and it builds you a full working app from a single sentence. So number 4 is NVIDIA's Nemotron 3 Ultra. And look at what it made for me. This is a full working EMI calculator. It has got sliders, it has got a donut chart, and it has even got a full 20-year repayment breakdown in there. And here is the crazy part. An AI built this entire thing from one single sentence, and then it went back and checked its own work and fixed its own mistakes before it even showed it to me. So let me back up and explain what Nemotron even is. It is NVIDIA's newest and most powerful OpenAI model. It is a huge one sitting at around 550 billion parameters. And the cool part is that NVIDIA open sourced pretty much all of it. The model, the training data, all of it. Now here is what you can do with it. You can take this model and put it inside your coding agent. So I ran one small command to load Nemotron into Codex using something called a llama. And do not get scared by that command, okay? All it means in plain English is that I am still using Codex on the outside, but the brain that is doing all the thinking is now Nemotron. Then I gave it one simple prompt. Build me an EMI calculator in a single HTML file that I can just open on my computer with no servers and no complicated setup, just a file. And it got to work. And this is the part I really liked. It did not just write the code and stop there, it went and checked its own output for errors. And when it found a mistake, it fixed it and rebuilt the whole thing on its own without asking me for anything extra. And when it finally opened, we had a proper working calculator sitting there. You could drag the sliders to set your loan amount and your interest rate. And it showed you your monthly EMI, your total interest, and even a full 20-year schedule of all your payments. All of that from one line of instruction. So that is the brain doing all the thinking for you. But here is the thing. Running an agent like this all day long burns through tokens and that costs you money. So this next tool gives your agent basically unlimited free fuel. So number 5 is a tool called OmniRoute. And if you use AI coding agents, this one might quietly be the most useful thing on this whole list. Here is the number they are throwing around on their site. They say it gives you around 1.6 billion free tokens every single month, which basically means your AI agent stops hitting those annoying limits and it stops burning through your money. So let me explain the problem it solves, right? If you run AI agents like Claude or Codex or Cursor, you already know the pain. You are in the middle of something and suddenly the tokens run out, or you hit a limit and everything just stops. Or you get a bill at the end of the month that is way bigger than you expected. So what OmniRoute does is it sits in the middle like a free gateway. And it connects you to over 236 different providers. And more than 90% of them have a free tier. So when you send a request, it automatically picks the best free model that is available and it uses that one. And here is the clever bit. If one of them runs out, it just falls back to another one on its own. So your agent basically never stops working. And people clearly love this thing because it is one of the most popular repos on GitHub right now, sitting at over 13,000 stars. To set it up, you install it locally the same way. Then you log into this little dashboard, you create one API key. And I know API key sounds technical, but it is basically just a password that you copy once, okay? I name mine Hermes agent, then you paste that key into whatever agent you are using and it connects. And from that point on, it quietly routes everything to the cheapest or the free model without you doing anything at all. So now your agent has got a free brain and free fuel to run on. Now let me switch gears completely. This next one has got nothing to do with coding. It is for anyone who sits in back-to-back meetings all day. So number 6 is a tool called Meetily. And this one is basically a private AI note taker for all your meetings. Watch what it does. It sits on your call and records it. Then it writes out the full transcript of everything that was said. And then it gives you a clean little summary at the end. And the whole thing happens right here on your own laptop. Now let me tell you why that on your own laptop part matters so much. If you have used tools like Fireflies or Granola for your meeting notes, you already know 2 things. 1, they are paid, and 2, they take all your meeting audio and send it off to their cloud somewhere. And for a lot of people, that is a real problem. Think about a lawyer on a client call, or a doctor in a patient session, or just any confidential meeting at your company. That kind of data cannot go outside. And with Meetily, it never does. It all just stays on your device. There is another really nice touch here. No weird bot joins your call and sits there in the corner staring at everyone. It just quietly listens on your own machine. And it is fully open source with an MIT license, so it is properly free. And it works with pretty much every meeting platform out there. Setting it up is the same story as always. You hand the link over to your agent and it clones it and runs it. It even goes and downloads its own transcription engine and its summary engine on its own. You do not touch a thing. Then inside the app, you can either record a meeting live or you can import an old recording you already have lying around. So I dropped in one of my old recordings and the transcript came up really fast. Then one click and it wrote me a summary of the whole thing. And behind the scenes, it is running small AI models like Quen and Gemma right there on your computer. It even does live dictation while you are talking. So that is your meetings recorded and summarized completely privately. Now let us get back to making things. This next one makes you AI art right on your own PC. So number 7 is a tool called Easy Diffusion. And just look at this. This photo of an astronaut riding a horse. This is not from some paid website, right? This is running completely on my own computer and it cost me nothing to make. So what is Easy Diffusion? It is basically a super simple one-click way to make AI images on your own PC, and you need zero technical knowledge for it. If you have heard of Stable Diffusion, this is just a really easy, clean version of that with a nice browser window. So you are not sitting there staring at scary code. And setting it up is that same trick I told you about. You copy the GitHub link, you tell your agent to clone it and run it, and it gives you a local link that just opens up in your browser. Then it is basically like using any normal app. You type in what you want. So here we ask it for a photograph of an astronaut riding a horse. And here is a nice little touch. You can also tell it what you do not want in the picture. So we type no green filter and we hit make image. And it is pretty quick. And look at what it gives us. It comes out clean and it looks real. And you get a second version too. So you can pick whichever one you like more. Then you just download both of them in one zip file and you are done. And the quality is pretty solid for something running for free on your own machine. So that is a simple way to make images right on your own PC. Now what if you wanted a whole studio? Images and video and audio all in one place with over 200 models packed inside it. That is the next one. So number 8 is a tool called OpenGenerative AI. And this one is basically a whole creative studio that you run on your own machine. And when I say whole studio, I really mean it. Look at this dashboard. It has over 200 AI models packed inside it for making images and video and audio and even stuff like lip syncing and body swapping, all sitting in one place. So think about all those big paid AI platforms out there for making images and videos. This is like an open source version of all of them bundled together into one single app. And it is completely unrestricted. Inside it, you get more than 200 models, and these are the big names like Flux and Kling and Sora and Veo all right there. You install it locally like everything else and it gives you a local link. Then you grab a free API key to get started and you are in. And once you're in, you get this huge dashboard with all these different studios. There is an image studio, a video studio, an audio studio, lip syncing, body swapping, and there is even a marketing studio in there. So we open up the text to video generator, we pick a model, we type in a prompt and we set the quality and we hit generate. Now, I am not going to play you a final render here. The real point of this tool is just how much is crammed into one free app that runs on your own machine. Look at this dashboard. 200 models for images and video and audio all sitting in one place. That is a lot of power for 0 rupees. So number 9 is a tool called Palmier Pro, and this one is an open source video editor that is built around AI. The whole idea here is that your AI agent like Claude or Codex can plug straight into your editing timeline and work on it right alongside you. So instead of doing every little thing by hand, you get to hand chunks of the editing over to the agent. Now, one heads up here, right now it is only on Mac, but they said Windows is coming soon. And on top of editing your timeline, it can also generate images and video right inside the editor using the latest models like Kling and Veo. It has got around 10,000 stars on GitHub, and you install it the same way through your agent. It downloads it, builds it, and opens the app up for you. So then we make a new project and we bring in a clip of me talking. We drag it onto the timeline, and from there we get it to generate automatic captions for the video. We add a nice typewriter effect on the text, and we even get it to generate a background music track using AI. Now, one thing to be straight about here, if you want to generate brand new AI images or video from scratch inside it, then that part does cost money because those generation models are paid. But the editor itself and everything else in it is completely free. So number 10 is a tool called HyperFrames, and this one is made by HeyGen. And just look at this clip first. You have got these ribbons of glass and shiny chrome twisting around and slamming into each other and forming this glowing orb. Now, this is a real rendered video. And here is the thing. It was made completely from code by an AI without touching After Effects or a single motion designer. So what HyperFrames really is an open source framework that turns code into real MP4 videos. Now, I know that sounds a bit boring when I just say it like that, but wait till you see what it does with it. It has over 33,000 stars on GitHub, which is massive. And you use it straight from inside your coding agent. So again, we just tell Codex to go download the repo, and then we give it a wild brief. We ask it for a hyper-realistic 3D scene in a pitch black studio with 2 thick ribbons of liquid glass and chrome twisting and colliding in slow motion with cinematic lighting in 8K. And Codex just goes off and does the entire thing on its own. It writes all the code. It quietly opens up a browser in the background to render out each frame one by one. And then it stitches it all together into a video. And a few minutes later, it hands us this 8-second 1080p clip. And look at it. It looks like something a proper motion designer made in After Effects. And you are getting that level of motion graphics for free. So that was 10 completely free and open source AI tools, and every single one of them runs on your own computer for 0 rupees. And the one thing that ties every one of these together is this. You never had to write any code. You just pointed an AI agent at a GitHub link and it did the rest for you. Now, like I said, I have put the full list of all 10 tools with every GitHub link and the exact prompts I used inside our free community. The link for it is right there in the description. So go and grab it and you can try each one of these out for yourself. Because the gap between having an idea in your head and building it out for real is basically gone now. And all of this was free. If you want more breakdowns like this one, you already know what to do. See you in the next one.